This video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Canva on your Windows PC or laptop using an Android emulator. You will learn how to set up the emulator, access the Google Play Store, find Canva and install it. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use Canva on your computer and enhance your design and graphics creation capabilities. Stay tuned and let's get started. To download and install Canva on Windows PC laptops using an emulator, Step 1. Download and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks, Nox Player or Mimo Play on your Windows PC. Step 2. Open the emulator and sign in with your Google account. Step 3. In the emulator, open the Google Play Store. Step 4. Search for Canva in the Play Store. Step 5. Click on the Canva app and click the install button. Step 6. Once the installation is complete, you can open Canva and use it as you would on a mobile device. That's it. You have successfully installed Canva on your Windows PC using an Android emulator.